Look around you. In our offices, our factories, and even in our creative studios, a silent revolution is underway. It's not loud or flashy. In fact, its subtlety is what makes it so powerful. This is the story of how artificial intelligence is quietly and methodically replacing millions of jobs, often without us even noticing. You might think of AI as something from a sci-fi movie, but the reality is much more mundane and far more pervasive. It's the chatbot that handles your customer service query, the algorithm that writes financial reports, and the software that analyzes medical scans with superhuman accuracy. Each of these applications, while incredibly useful, represents a task that was once performed by a human. For decades, automation was about replacing manual labor robots on an assembly line, for instance, but the new wave of AI is different. It's targeting cognitive labor, the kind of white-collar work we once thought was immune to automation. Think about paralegals sifting through thousands of legal documents. Today, an AI can do that in seconds. Graphic designers creating simple logos. AI can generate hundreds of options in the time it takes to brew a coffee. This isn't some distant future. It's happening right now. Companies are adopting AI not to make headlines, but to cut costs and increase efficiency. A software company might replace a team of junior coders with an AI that can write, test, and debug its own code. A marketing firm could use AI to generate social media content, analyze campaign data, and even write personalized emails, tasks that once required a whole team. The scale is staggering. Economists and tech leaders predict that tens of millions of jobs could be disrupted in the coming decade. From truck drivers to radiologists, from accountants to journalists. No profession is truly safe. The jobs that are disappearing are often the entry-level positions that have traditionally been the first step on a career ladder. So, what happens when that first step is gone? This isn't a call to panic, but a call to awareness. The quiet replacement of jobs by AI is one of the most significant economic shifts of our lifetime. We need to understand it, adapt to it, and start having a serious conversation about what a future of work and of society looks like in the age of intelligent machines. The revolution won't be televised, because it's happening in the code and on the servers, one job at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world.